Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine and I'm back with another fancy schmancy video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I got this look right here, this rosy pink eye look using all my Hush makeup. And if you guys want to see how I did it, just continue to watch. Okay, so now that I wiped off all my makeup, what you're going to need, or what I'm using, is one of these fluffy brushes, because I will be using a little bit of blush because I don't use foundation, so this look has no foundation at all whatsoever. The next thing I'll be using is my Nude Tude palette. It's like really disgusting because I've had it for a long time and I barely use it. And this is where my Hush makeup comes in. I'll be using my Hush Inferno palette. These colors are so pretty. Oh, don't want to look at my ghetto camera setup. But these colors are so pretty. Just look at these. Oh my gosh. Just joking. Okay. So the first color I'll be using, and I'll be using a fluffy brush. It looks like this. Just let me let you guys see that. Very fluffy. And I'll be going into my Hush palette. It's called the Inferno palette. It's 12 eyeshadow color collection. I mean, these colors are so pretty. I already have a video up of this, like reviewing these. So if you guys want to know about this palette and what the colors look like on skin, just check out my other video. I'll link it in this one too. So the first color that I'm going to go into is the color Burn, right there. And I'm going to take that color and I'm going to put it right in my crease like this. So I'm going to dip into it, tap off the excess. And I'm going to use my mirror on this palette just to do it, but you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to find my crease. I'm going to go right into it. Just like this. And you don't want to go, you just want to stop right there. Don't go any further than that because we're going to be putting a different color right over in that corner. So just go like this. Alright. Now just for now, I'm only going to be doing this eye so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, and then I'm going to cut through the video and go ahead and finish this eye for you guys. Alright, so keep going in through the crease. Make sure it's dark. Make sure it's to your liking. I think that's to my liking. And then you're going to clean your brush off, and you're going to go in to the color, I don't remember what color I used. It's this dark brown color. It's called Smolder. Smolder? Yes, it's called Smolder. You're going to take that brush, but you're only going to dip the tip of this brush in it, and you're going to dab it into your crease. And this is more of a like warm pink tone color. I actually just did this look today because I had an interview and I was just throwing shit on. So just going to just put it right in there. Just like that. Very little. And then you're going to clean your brush off again. Go into the color Flames. It's a very shimmery color, which is why it's a shimmery pink rosy look. And you're going to use the flat part of the brush, tap off the excess, and you're going to pat it onto the part right here above your waterline. So just pat like this. Just like that. You see? And there's this spot right here still left over, which we're going to use for a different color in the Nude Tude palette. So you're just going to put as much of the shimmer color on as you would like. Alright, so that's what it looks like so far. So you can see that. Now you're going to go into the Nude Tude palette. And you're going to take a different kind of brush. I really wish I had a smaller brush than this, but I don't. And you're going to make sure it's clean. You see all that off. I'm going to go in to the color, there's a little kid running outside, the color Sassy. It's a very more of a highlight color to me, but I really like to use it for the crease. So I'm going to take that color, tap off the excess, and this one also has a mirror in it, and I'm going to put it right there where we left that space. Just a little bit. You can go ahead and bring it down into your crease if you would like. Just like that. Oh, Grandpa is looking. Okay. And now what you're going to do is take a fluffy brush. You're going to blend it all out. Just like that. Very cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish this eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that you finished both eyes, you can, if you want, top it off with some mascara. I'm going to use NYX Lovatics by Demi. Maybe Demi Lovato, I'm not sure. It probably was from Big Lots because the price tag was $2, and I just love it. It makes my lashes look so good. So we're going to open it, and of course, I'm going to open it. Flick the lashes. I usually just fix it up at the end. I didn't realize I got mascara on my hand. Ooh, yeah, that's good. And then now we're going to top it off with some blush. You can use blush, you don't have to. That's as close to like foundation that I'll get, because I don't put anything on my face really, because I break out really bad, and it sucks, because it just sucks. So I'm going to tap. Whoa! Oh my god, I completely just fell. Okay, tap into your blush and just throw it on there. This definitely goes well with the look because you're using pink, and it's a pink look, so it goes perfect. I actually forgot to do something with the makeup look. I just remembered that I took this brush and took that reddish color, the burn color, and I put it under here. I completely forgot I did that. So just to kind of smokify it. Alright, and if you want, you can top it off with your favorite lipstick or anything you like. I don't wear lipstick, so I'm not going to use it. This is the end of my video. I was just showing you guys this look. It's a very simple, easy look. Just, you know, run out somewhere. If you guys liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.